Hey everybody, it's Philip Paley from Paley Landscaping. I hope you're having a great day. We are out in Sandy Springs doing a sod installation. Just wanted to make a quick video and touch base with you guys. We have done many sod installations. It's important when you do the sod installation, you've got to make sure that everything is graded and that everything is graded properly, because otherwise what will happen is that when the sod grows in, there'll be lumps. It'll be lumpy, as my kids would say, and it's not going to look nice. Also, it's important that you get high quality sod. There's lots of sod farms out there, and to be honest, the quality is not all the same. I'm going to show you one of the pieces that we've got here. You can see, I don't know how well you can see, but it's good, dense, thick sod. This is Zeon zoysia. You can see that it's nice and dense, and on the backwards side, you can see all the root system there. It's got a well-established root system. It's a nice thick piece of sod, so it's going to take root really well. We'll touch base with you as we get close to completion. Hey everybody, we're back. The guys are finishing up the last little bit, getting in the last few pieces of sod. This grass is going to be big and thick and lush and beautiful. A big thank you to Leslie Greenberg for hiring Paley Landscaping for all of her lawn and landscaping needs, for the installation and continued maintenance on her yard. If we can help you with any of your lawn or landscaping needs, please don't hesitate to give me a call at my office, 404-320-6737. Make it a great day, everybody.